The other day I just got this DJI Pocket 2 creator combo that comes with this extended wireless Bluetooth module. In order to run this little camera, which is the size of my hand, roughly, a lot smaller, do I need all of this gear? Maybe, maybe not. My intention is to use the GoPro chest mount for when I do my bike rides. And then I also have the DJI body adapter, and this goes into a standard GoPro action camera mount. So from there, I could go into the GoPro chest mount. I could also go into a suction cup mount, which I could use for off-roading when I go take my Land Cruiser out, or even my AMG. So I have a aluminum to tripod mount here, and then obviously the suction cup here. When I was riding to the beach the other day, I was shooting directly into the sun, so I had issues with being able to filter out some of the light for that natural f1.8 lens. So I got a standard day pack from Freewell. These is a 3 ND filter set with a circular polarizer. Right there, the one with the red ring. So I'll be learning how to use that filter set there. And then of course, standard SSD card, 256 gigs there. Everyone also needs one of these. Clean your lenses or filters with. And then moving up, I got a custom SLR camera strap. It's a pretty good strap. It has a slider that goes up and down. So this is what I used for my bike ride the other day. Just clip it, stow it on my back, and then when I needed to use it, swing it back around and take some shots. I also have an old Rode shotgun mic. This will plug directly into the side port of the creator package here, and then you could also use that as a headphone jack as well. So one of the other things I got for the Pocket 2 was a adapter. This would better the strength when you have to upload the files. So you'd slide this guy out. Alright, take your joystick out, find your little handy case here on the side, slide your lightning adapter in here, and then plug your phone in, and then spring mount to get some more strength. This does have a hot shoe on top with tripod threads on the bottom. So the grip handle is removable, and it is also acting as a tripod, so you could open it up and set your rig down. I also got this VidGym LED light here. It's pretty good. Has some warm tones and some cooler tones. Not bad for 20 bucks on Amazon. And then this thing from PGY Tech was, I think, the $40. And that included the handle. So yeah. Do I really need all of this gear to run this tiny camera? I do intend to run this in multiple circumstances, so I do think I will. The most useful thing will be the action cam clamp and the ND filter set from Newell.